The Green Man is an ancient mythical character. Period. The Green Man is believed to have been used as a decorative face or design found in architectural and sculptural ornamentation. Period. It is also found in folk art and is the subject of many legends. Period. New paragraph. The Green Man can be found all over the world. Period. The Green Man can be found in Christian, pagan, and even neo-pagan beliefs. Period. The image of the Green Man may have come from pagan beliefs. Period. According to some pagan beliefs, the Green Man represents the spring, the rebirth of nature. Period. The Green Man may represent the cycle of life and death. Period. The eyes of the Green Man may be closed because he is asleep, but they can also be closed because he is not looking. Period. The Green Man may also be in human form. Period.